Hello guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. This is Junily and Williams in the Philippines. For today's video guys, I'm telling storytelling to everyone about what happened this morning. But first of all, I want to say hi, hello, wherever you are right now. And good morning, good afternoon. How's your day? Say hi. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. For today's video, I'm saying a storytelling about what happened this morning because I'm very upset or I make mixed emotions what happened this morning because me and William went to the immigration office this day, and William always taking a video wherever he goes. He's taking a video, guys. But this morning, William taking a video outside the immigration. But guys, I am very mixed emotion what the immigration officer he shout to William that, "Sir, it's not allowed to take a video." So I said to him, "Sir, you can say it calmly to William what if it's okay or not, and saying, 'Sir, it's not allowed to take a video this premises, sir.' Then that's it, guys. No need to shout because we are the people thinking to us that we are a thief because he's shouting his voice. It can say it nicely, guys, when if someone taking a video and you said, 'Sir, can you remove that video and it's not allowed this one to take a video,' then we can accept that, guys. But it should be in a nice way, guys. What you think? Comment down below. What is your opinion about this? And I said to the immigration officer, 'Sir, next time if you want, just tell the people that was taking the video and saying, 'Sir, it's not allowed to take a video this, and can you delete that video?' And yeah, we can accept that because it's our fault. And that's for today, guys. Well, just what happened today. William always taking a video wherever he goes, wherever we go. Yeah, always taking a video right now. And comment down below what is your thoughts and opinions about what happened. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, guys. See you to my next video. And good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will comment down below what is your opinion and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.